This is your ultimate Notion task and projects manager, a beautifully organized space to plan, track, and actually get things done. Whether it's big goals, tiny tasks, or projects on repeat, everything stays in one aesthetic, clutter-free system. And the best part, it comes with a built-in recurring task system that works for both Notion tree plans and paid plans. So you can keep your daily, weekly, or monthly tasks running smoothly without setting them up over and over again. Let's take a tour and I'll show you how this Notion setup can change the way you work. If you love a good to-do list, this section will be your new favorite. This task system helps you stay organized, never miss a deadline, and keep everything in one place. Start by listing all of your tasks, work, personal, even those someday tasks. Assign a type, priority, and due date to stay on top of everything. Add the days left property updates automatically to keep you on track. When you check things off, the task status updates on its own. This is the most satisfying thing. You cannot convince me otherwise. Every database in this template has different views. You can explore them to find the perfect way to organize your workflow. For bigger tasks, click this toggle icon and break them down into sub-items so that instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can focus on one step at a time. But what if your tasks are part of something even bigger? That's where projects come in. Let's take a look. Big goals, small steps. This project system helps you break things down, track progress, and actually finish what you start. To add a new project, click plus new page and fill in the details, priority, status, which starts as not started, due date, project type, and start date. This database links directly to the task section so you can create new tasks for your projects or connect existing ones. And as you check things off, updating task statuses to complete will automatically update the project's progress bar, and then simply add the completion date and change the project status. It's completely perfect. Its project also comes with a pre-designed template to help you stay organized, whether it's goals and objectives, project scope and deliverables, or timeline and milestones. You'll have everything structured in one place. This is perfect for handling complex projects with detailed tasks and deadlines, so you can focus on execution without feeling overwhelmed. Now, keeping track of everything doesn't stop at projects. Let's talk about productivity journaling. What's the difference between being busy and actually being productive? How do you know you're truly getting things done? That's where the productivity journal comes in. It's designed to help you focus on what really matters and track your progress in a meaningful way. To start a new week, click the plus new week journal button, assign a date, and choose your productivity level. And there's more. When you open the page, you'll find a pre-designed template for your morning and evening journaling. This journal is your space to set priorities, reflect on your energy, and track what you've accomplished each day. Plus, there's a cute monthly productivity overview, bringing a little joy and motivation to help you stay productive. Have fun while becoming the most productive version of yourself. And if you're someone who gets random bursts of inspiration, you'll love the next section. This section is your creative hub, a space for brainstorming, capturing ideas, and keeping track of important notes. Let's start with the ideas section. Click plus a new page to add a new idea, fill in details, and link to a project if any. You can jot down quick thoughts or expand on them to structure your plans. If an idea turns into something actionable, you can easily convert it into a task or project with a simple button click. Next, the meeting notes section helps you keep track of key discussions, decisions, and action items. Then there's resources, a dedicated space to save useful YouTube videos, podcasts, and articles. Okay, but what about tasks that repeat daily or weekly? I don't want to type the same thing over and over again. That's why I've set up a recurring task system for you. This template includes a recurring task system that works for both Notion's free plan and Notion paid plan. For Notion free plan users, to set up a recurring task, input your task details as name, type, priority, and due date. To set up the recurrence setting, enter the recur interval, number of days between each occurrence. Select the recur unit, days, weeks, or months. For example, for a daily recurring task, enter 1 as the interval and select days. The next due date will be automatically created. When you complete a task by checking the completed checkbox, manually click the recur button to generate a new task with the next due date. The new task will only be created after you click the recur button. If you're using Notion's paid plan, you have two options. Use the recur button or use fully automated recurring tasks, no manual clicking required. An automation is already set up for you, so all you need to do is input your task details, name, type, priority, and due date. Set the recurrence setting, recur interval, and recur unit. When you check the completed checkbox, a new task is automatically created with the next due date. No extra steps needed. If you prefer to use the recur button instead, you'll need to disable the automation to prevent tasks from being duplicated 2 times. Hover over the database, click the automation icon, the bold symbol, select the automation and turn off the active toggle and then click done. Recurring projects work differently from recurring tasks. Simply duplicating a project isn't ideal because multiple projects would be linked to the same task, making it difficult to track which tasks belong to which project. To keep everything organized, you can use the Add Task button inside the project page to quickly add tasks from a pre-existing template. The task will automatically link to the current project, ensuring consistency and saving time. Here's how it works. To set up a task template, go to the task database, click the drop-down arrow next to the blue New button, create or edit a task template that you want to reuse for your recurring project. Include important details such as the task name, type, priority, and any other necessary properties. Once your task templates are set up, go to the project's database and click the drop-down arrow next to the blue New button. You'll see a default project template. Click the ellipsis menu and select Edit. Inside the template, find the Add Task button. Hover over it and click the setting icon. The button is already set up, but you can customize it by adding or removing task templates as needed. Once finished, scroll down and click Done. Once everything is set up, whenever you create a new page for a recurring project, simply click the Add Task button. This will automatically add pre-existing tasks to your project and link them correctly. After the tasks are added, you can still adjust details like due dates, priority, or other properties to fit your project's needs. Finally, here are some cool bonus features to make your workflow even smoother. First is the summary page. Get an instant overview of your workflow, task updates, project progress, and weekly productivity analytics all in one place. Charts. Visualize your task progress, project status, and productivity levels with these static charts. Quick Add buttons. Instantly add new tasks or projects with a single click. No more navigating through multiple steps. Your workspace should feel inspiring, peaceful, and easy to use. This homepage ties everything together with a beautiful, functional, and organized layout, so your entire system truly feels like home. Everything you need is neatly arranged here, and if you ever want to dive deeper, just click through the pages in the navigation bar. You can also use this time blocking to schedule your day. Just click the pin icon button to quickly add activities to your task database. I absolutely love this homepage. It looks so good. I'm literally obsessed. I hope this template makes your life a little more organized and a lot more fun. Your tasks and projects finally have the perfect little home. If you want to grab it for yourself, the link is in the description. Happy planning!